Hi, in this demo video, I'd like to show you our virtual whiteboard and how it can be used in many different ways to help you with data and making grouping decisions. This is from the admin dashboard. I'm going to go to a specific grade level. So I'm going to the digital data wall. And then in the top right, I'm going to click New Virtual Whiteboard. And on the screen, and we call this the canvas, it's a recreation of the digital data wall. But now the benefit of this is you have a place to move students and group them however you would like on the canvas. And some of the nice things are making decisions on grouping based off of some data point. So one could be, I would just like to see the students who are identified as ELL, and I'm going to move them over into the group and create that group, right? And then maybe these students in this grouping, I don't want to see them on the canvas anymore. So I can just click and drag to make this little box appear, and then I'm going to move them to the sideline. And then they're over here, but if you click here, they'll pop open and you can bring them back in. The other thing that's nice is you can customize the display data inside the student cell. So in this example, maybe I would like to have I don't want to show the reading score, which is the number 5, 7 on the left side. So I'll display none. And maybe I want to put in my own type of data. So I'm going to put custom text, click apply. That's what's happening in this version. I'll click assign custom text, and I can put in scores or text that's relatively short. And then I'll just make this ELL to save. And now I've customized this to have my specific data point that I would like to have. And this could go beyond your common assessment scores. And then obviously you can put in some text, any type of notes or make some headers. ELL group 1. If I want to put in more text, I can make this a note catcher during our professional learning community kind of discussions. And then once I save this, the nice thing about this is one version of one virtual whiteboard. So I'll click save, and then I'll close, and then they're accessible. So that's one version, and multiple can be created. And the benefit of this is also for individual teachers. So this is Aisha. This is her classroom. So she can create groupings just for her class. And the benefit of this would be seating charts. If you want to change these on a monthly basis, this could be, September's seating chart. It could also be guided reading groups. I'm looking at data to decide what groups I'm going to create. And this is dynamic, so it can change really easily. So I could customize this display to show the latest scores and apply. And now I have assessment data of reading scores, and this could be used to create, my high reading group, my medium, my average, really flexible. And then I can dynamically change this quickly when the scores come in. Or if I'm doing my own assessments in my own classroom, I can assign custom text and create groupings for math or any subject area really frequently. And again, they can be saved and multiple can be created. There's really no limit. So very valuable for the classroom future also. Okay, thank you.